What's up guys, this is Sunny, back with another video. Today we have one more product from GIM. So they were nice enough to send GIM Gm2. It's a mini micro ATX case. This case does support micro ATX motherboard and a mini ITX motherboard. Now if you have a ATX motherboard, this case is not for you. They also have another case that does support ATX motherboard, but then again the design is different. I'll leave a link in the video's description for both of these case, the mini GM2 case right here and also the other case. All right, today real quick I just want to give you guys a quick specs rundown, like what this case got to offer, the options and stuff, and also I'll throw in my build in this case and show you guys how this case looks with my personal build. And I'm also planning on using this case for my main setup because I need to upgrade the case I have. It's not a bad case, I just prefer something smaller. So let's jump in and show you guys the options I really like. So the first option this case have, I personally think really useful, this top cover right here. I can remove this top cover. There is some thumb screws here, 2 thumb screws, okay, and you guys can see easily you can remove this top cover. You can install 220mm fans or 240mm aerial, liquid cooler, water cooler, whatever you guys want to call. Now you guys can see this top cover does have vent. Now this case does come with tempered glass, and as you guys can see there is no thumb screws or anything, okay. Basically you just have to slide this tempered glass up and you can easily remove this tempered glass. And this tempered glass is clear, as you guys can see. It's not dark. I really don't like dark tempered glass, so I think this clear glass looks really nice. You can really show off your build. It does have white borders and does come with like 4 hooks, as you guys can see here, and that's how you can just slide it and install it. And I really like the back panel. I'll show you guys why. Okay, again, thumb screws. You don't have to worry about losing these thumb screws, okay, as you guys can see. Okay, now back panel also have vent, okay, and the reason why they did that, you can install 2 fan on right here, like right on the side, like the front, and also you can install 240mm AIO. I'll show you guys. And then also you need your power supply to breathe. That's the reason this back panel also have vent, okay, and it doesn't feel cheap, it doesn't flex too crazy. Also you can install 2 more fans, okay. You can install 2 120mm fans right here or a 240mm AIO. On the back you can install 2 2.5 SSD right here, and you can install 1 3.5 mechanical hard drive behind this, okay. Now in order for you to install the 3.5 mechanical hard drive or the SSD, you need to basically unscrew this bracket, and I'll show you guys this bracket does come off. So again, you can install 2 SSD 2.5 or 3 SSD. If you don't want to go with a mechanical hard drive, then you can install 3 SSD or 2 SSD and a mechanical hard drive. Hopefully I'm not making you guys confused. Now you can install a power supply right here, around 140mm power supply, okay. And then this case also does support graphics card length all the way up to 320mm. I'll show you guys with my graphics card. Let me just give you guys quick cable rundown, okay. So it does come with 4 Velcros here and some screws for the motherboard, power supply. And here you guys can see we have audio HD plug and a USB 2.0 plug right here. Here we have USB 3.0 plug. Now keep in mind, this case doesn't have USB-C option. Okay, I'll show you guys the top I/O right here, then you guys will know. And then here's some cable for the LED RGB. We have a RGB 3-pin plug here, female, and the male. And motherboard, power switch, and hard drive LED cable. That's about it. Now let's look at the top I/O. So first we have a power button here. Then we have 2 USB type A port. We have USB 3.0 port and USB 2.0 port. We have a microphone jack and a headphone jack and a reset button and a LED indicator right here. Now let me show you guys. You can easily remove the front tempered glass. Basically, we have to slide this tempered glass forward, like let's just push it forward just like this, and the tempered glass will come off. And this tempered glass does have white border, as you guys can see, and this vent right here basically for LED. You guys will see after I install all the hardwares inside this case. You guys will see how nice this case will look with these RGB strip right here. I also want to show you guys the motherboard tray and the cutout. As you guys can see, this case only support ITX and a METX motherboard. Nice cutout right here, you guys can see, so you are not going to have any problem installing AIO. There's a big cutout here. And here you guys can see the stands already comes pre-installed. And there's 2 cutout on the top, and they do have rubber. There's like 3-4 more cutout here. Got 3 the bottom and 1 right here. And also there is 3 more cutout here, as you guys can see. And those also have rubbers. So you don't have to worry about cable management. Bottom of the case also have a vent, you guys can see right here. So airflow shouldn't be any problem. And you can also clean the dust filter. There is a dust filter right here. You can just slide it out. And you can wash it. Now let's look at the rear panel right here. Also there is vent on the rear panel here, you guys can see. So you can install a rear fan, okay, but there is a vent there for airflow. And then you got a vent on the other side too, and you can install the power supply right here. There's 4 PCI slots, okay, and this case does come with 4 plastic rubberized stands.